أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
قل كل يعمل على شاكلته فربكم أعلم بمن هو أهدى سبيلا صدق الله العلي العظيم. Everyone acts according to their shakila. That surely your Lord is the one who knows the best, who is the most guided on this path.
In this video, we will look at a different ayah for the meaning of a servant, abd of Allah, and a hijrah to Allah. To explain the meaning of abd, we will look at the story of Shaitan. In Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 34, it states, "And when we said to the angels, make obeisance to Adam, they did obeisance, but Iblis did not. He refused and he was proud, and he was one of the unbelievers." Notice the last line of the translation. It says that Shaitan was one of the disbelievers in the past tense. Disobedience does not make a believer a disbeliever. Let's see what Shaitan says after refusing to prostrate. Surah Al-Hijr, verse 33 says, Shaitan said, "I can't bring myself to make prostration to a mortal whom thou hast created of the essence of black mud fashioned in shape." Shaitan says he cannot make prostration, not even if he faked it. He can't bring himself to be false to his disposition. Essentially, Allah is showing Shaitan's inner shakila. This is similar to when Imam Hussein couldn't pledge allegiance to Yazid. Imam Hussein's disposition would not allow him to pledge allegiance to a creature like that. Connecting back to Shaitan, after Allah dispels Shaitan from heaven, he blames Allah and says, "You knew I wouldn't be able to do this. Why did you put me in this situation?" Sometimes the test that Allah gives is very specific to the individual. This command given to Shaitan by Allah was very specific and was an opportunity for him to change his ego. Shaitan had the potential for change here. This connects to the bil-quwa phase, potential phase, as mentioned in the previous videos. Shaitan chose not to act on that potential and to disobey Allah. What about our role in our tests and in our shakila? It's one thing to worship Allah, to be an abid, and another to be subservient to Allah, to be an abd. In Arabic, the difference between them is one letter in spelling, but the two words have a different meaning. So how do I know if I am an abid or an abd? We know which one we are when Allah asks us to do something against our shakila. A person can choose to take the easy way out. As an example, someone may say, "I can't wear the hijab, I can't pray on time, I can't fast because I'm too busy or my lifestyle doesn't fit with these matters." On the other hand, a person can choose to kill the ego, build the shakila, and be subservient to Allah. That is an abd. Let us look at a conversation between Allah and Prophet Musa. Prophet Musa asked Allah this question: "If Shaitan asked for forgiveness, would you forgive him?" Allah said yes. Let him go to the grave of Adam and do prostration in order to test Shaitan's ubudiyya again. Shaitan said, "I didn't do prostration when he was alive. What makes you think that I will do it now?" Still, after thousands of years of being able to reflect, the ego still came out on top. This is a big reflection point for us. Allah asks us to do things that are uncomfortable. What's our choice, Allah or something else? Now let's discuss the meaning of hijrah to Allah. In Surah Nisa, verse 100, it mentions, "Whoever goes forth from his house flying, hijrah, to Allah and his apostle, and then death overtakes him, his reward is indeed with Allah, and Allah is forgiving, merciful." Before a physical journey, if someone sees you, they can tell that you are about to travel. You have a suitcase, passport, backpack, and other travel essentials. This is the same way if you are making a spiritual journey towards Allah and His Prophet. It should be obvious. This lecture is split into 2 videos, so make sure to tune into our next video to learn what this hijrah means, how to attain it, and what rewards one can hope for during this migration.
يا حسين 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 يا حسين 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 يا حسين